Hi, today I'm going to be stamping using Born Pretty stamping plate BP-03. This stamping plate is from bornprettystore.com. If you're interested, there are links available in the description box. I'm starting off with the base coat. Once dried, I apply a coat of white polish. I'll be starting with the roses for my background. I apply a line of pink polish across the edge of the image, and with a scraper I scrape off the excess and roll the stamper on the image. Now that I have the image on the stamper, I carefully line up the image and roll the stamper on my nail. I clean up around my nail and make sure my stamping plate and stamper are clean and ready for the next image. Now I apply a clear polish. I'll be using a black polish for the rest of the images. I'll be starting with the mirror for my index finger. I usually apply a line of black polish across the edge of the image, but if this doesn't work, I would cover the whole image, especially detailed images such as this mirror. Now with the scraper, I scrape off the excess and roll the stamper on the image. Now that I have the image on my stamper, I carefully try to center the image and roll the stamper on my nail. I will be repeating the same process for the rest of my nails. Here I finish up with a top coat. Thank you for watching. If you like this design, I would appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. Until next time.